The Kaaba, the spiritual holy land of Muslims, has been a topic of discussion and speculation in recent times. However, it is crucial to separate fact from fiction to truly understand the significance of the Kaaba. In this article, we will explore the truth behind the Kaaba, its construction, and the rituals associated with it. We will also delve into the mystery surrounding the sacred black stone and its alleged extraterrestrial origins. By uncovering the historical narratives and religious beliefs, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of the Kaaba's rich history and spiritual depth. The Kaaba, meaning cube in Arabic, is a square building draped in a silk and cotton veil. Located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, it serves as Islam's holiest shrine. Muslims from around the world gather in the courtyard of the Masjid al-Haram, surrounding the Kaaba, to perform rituals. One of the key rituals is circumambulation, during which pilgrims walk around the Kaaba, hoping to kiss and touch the sacred black stone embedded in its eastern corner. According to Muslim belief, the construction of the Kaaba is attributed to Abraham, known as Ibrahim in Islamic tradition, and his son Ishmael. It is believed that the Kaaba was originally a simple unroofed rectangular structure. The Quraysh tribe, who ruled Mecca, later rebuilt the pre-Islamic Kaaba with alternating courses of masonry and wood. Muhammad, the founder of Islam, cleansed the Kaaba of idols upon his victorious return to Mecca, restoring it to the monotheism of Ibrahim. Muslims consider Abraham a prophet and the ancestor of the Prophet Muhammad through his son Ishmael. According to Islamic tradition, Ishmael was given the blessing of the Kaaba, and his descendants were destined to make an annual pilgrimage and perform a sacrifice feast at the Kaaba. In contrast, Isaac, Abraham's son from his wife Sarah, holds a different significance in Judaism and Christianity. There are variations between Islamic and biblical narratives regarding Abraham's family. In Islam, Hagar, the handmaiden of Sarah, is believed to be Abraham's second wife, and Ishmael's birth is seen as part of God's plan. However, in the Bible, Sarah is Abraham's wife, and Isaac is the son through whom God's promise is fulfilled. These differences in narratives highlight the distinct religious traditions and interpretations. There is a debate regarding whether Abraham ever traveled to Mecca. The Bible does not mention the Kaaba or Mecca until at least the end of the 7th century CE. The Islamic narrative about Mecca and the Kaaba was written in the 9th century and lacks independent verifiable evidence. Scholars from Judaism and Christianity argue that Abraham did not venture as far as Mecca, and there is no extra biblical or other source evidence supporting his journey there. The Kaaba is not mentioned in biblical scriptures, which can be attributed to various factors. The Bible and the Quran are scriptures of different religious traditions, focusing on different aspects of religious history and teachings. While there are shared figures and events, there are also significant differences in their narratives and emphasis. The absence of the Kaaba in the Bible does not invalidate its significance in Islamic tradition. The Bible primarily focuses on the history and religious traditions of the Israelites, and the Kaaba's association with the Arabian Peninsula may not have been directly relevant to the biblical narrative and audience. The Kaaba houses a sacred black stone, which holds great reverence among Muslims. The stone is often described as a fragmented dark rock, approximately 2 feet in length. While its exact origin is unknown, it is believed to have been a meteorite or a stone from the heavens. According to Islamic tradition, the black stone was given to Abraham by the angel Gabriel as a guide for the construction of the Kaaba. It is said that the stone was originally white but turned black due to the sins of humanity. Pilgrims who visit the Kaaba during the Hajj or Umrah pilgrimage strive to touch or kiss the black stone as a symbol of their devotion and connection to the sacred site. The extraterrestrial origins of the black stone have sparked curiosity and speculation. Some theories suggest that the stone could be a meteorite, as its composition resembles meteoric material. Scientific analysis conducted on the stone has revealed traces of various minerals and elements commonly found in meteorites. However, conclusive evidence confirming its extraterrestrial origin is yet to be established. The Kaaba holds immense significance in Islamic faith and serves as a focal point for Muslims during their prayers. It represents the unity of Muslims worldwide, regardless of their cultural or ethnic backgrounds. The rituals performed around the Kaaba, such as circumambulation and prayer, symbolize the devotion and submission of Muslims to Allah. The Kaaba also serves as a reminder of the story of Abraham and his unwavering faith in God. It is a symbol of monotheism and the rejection of idolatry. The cleansing of the Kaaba by Muhammad upon his return to Mecca is seen as a pivotal moment in Islamic history, marking the establishment of Islam as the predominant religion in the region. The Kaaba in Mecca is a place of great spiritual significance for Muslims around the world. While the historical narratives and religious beliefs surrounding the Kaaba may differ from other religious traditions, it remains a symbol of unity, devotion, and submission to Allah. The construction of the Kaaba by Abraham and Ishmael, the rituals performed by millions of pilgrims, and the enigma of the sacred black stone all contribute to the rich history and spiritual depth of this sacred site. By exploring the truth behind the Kaaba, we gain a deeper understanding of its significance in Islamic faith and the hearts of millions of believers worldwide. The Kaaba, Islam's holiest shrine, holds a rich history and numerous mysteries that have captivated people for centuries. Believed to have been originally used by pagans before the advent of Islam, the Kaaba holds a significant place in Islamic tradition. According to Islamic beliefs, the stone was set intact into the Kaaba's wall by the Prophet Muhammad in 605 AD. Muslims also hold the belief that the Kaaba stone was once part of the stones of heaven. However, the stone has undergone significant damage and has been the subject of various stories and events throughout history. This article delves into the captivating history, legends, and intriguing facts surrounding the Kaaba, shedding light on its significance and the controversies surrounding it. The origins of the Kaaba are shrouded in myth and legend, with various versions of its story of origin. These stories, though differing in details, share a common theme. One popular belief suggests that when Adam was banished from the Garden of Eden, he was given the black stone to erase his sin and gain entrance back into heaven. Another version claims that the Archangel Gabriel brought the ancient stone from a nearby mountain. These legends add an air of mystery and wonder to the Kaaba's history, connecting it to the sacred narratives of Islam. Throughout its existence, the Kaaba has faced numerous challenges and undergone significant transformations. In 683 AD, during the Umayyad siege of Mecca, the Kaaba was struck and smashed to pieces by a stone fired from a catapult. Another notable event occurred in 930 AD, when a small Shiite sect called the Karmatians stole the Kaaba stone and took it to their base in modern-day Bahrain. The Karmatian leader Abu Tahir al-Karmati attempted to redirect the Hajj away from Mecca by setting up the black stone in his own mosque. However, pilgrims continued to venerate the spot where the Kaaba stone had been, leading to its eventual return. The Kaaba has not been immune to controversies and mysterious incidents throughout history. In the 11th century, a man allegedly attempted to smash the stone and was killed on the spot, causing only slight damage. Swiss traveler Johann Ludwig Burckhardt reported an incident in 1674, where someone smeared the black stone with excrement, tarnishing the beards of those who kissed it. Persians were suspected of being responsible for this act, leading to curses from other Muslims for centuries. These incidents highlight the fervent devotion and protectiveness surrounding the Kaaba, as well as the conflicts that can arise from differing beliefs. The Kaaba's physical structure has undergone several changes over time. It is currently broken into several pieces, estimated to range from 7 to 15 fragments, held together by a silver frame and nails. The Kaaba's significance extends beyond its physical form. For Muslims, it represents the focal point of their faith, the direction of their prayers, and the symbol of unity among believers. The rituals of Hajj and Umrah revolve around the Kaaba, with millions of Muslims from around the world converging upon it each year. While the Kaaba holds immense religious significance for Muslims, it has also faced criticism and skepticism from various quarters. Some argue that the Kaaba's historical roots lie in pre-Islamic paganism, suggesting that it was a place of worship for multiple deities. Critics question the rituals and practices associated with the Kaaba, highlighting the veneration of stones and woods, and the use of force or death threats to maintain adherence to certain beliefs. These criticisms reflect the diversity of perspectives and interpretations surrounding the Kaaba and its role in Islamic faith. The Kaaba stands as a testament to the rich history, legends, and controversies that have surrounded it for centuries. From its origins as a pagan shrine to its transformation into the holiest site in Islam, The Kaaba has witnessed numerous events and undergone significant changes. It continues to be a focal point of devotion and unity for millions of Muslims worldwide. While the mysteries and controversies surrounding the Kaaba persist, its significance as a symbol of faith and spirituality remains unwavering. The Kaaba's story serves as a reminder of the complexities and diversity of religious beliefs and practices, inviting further exploration and understanding.